See, the thing is, you can't just like simmer for 15 minminutes. You have to explain the whole thing. Like, your mom's the same way. You have to explain the whole thing to like,
like you can't go word by word. Like,
yeah, it's like Punjabi, you have to say 15 minute bach, jinnah this. You gotta really explain it. So if I'm doing bad, it's not my fault. If I'm doing great, then that's lit.
We are making, how do you say this in Punjabi?
Gajar da halwa.
Gajar da Halwa.
Yeah.
And that's basically a carrot pudding. Let's see how you can make this in Punjabi.
Gajar. How do you say shredded? I haven't heard this word. Barf? Is that the right shred? I don't think so. Honestly, gajar paunge vich. That's all I got. I'm telling you guys, my Punjabi's the worst.
All right, and we're gonna put this on medium heat. How do you say that?
Honestly, how did your mom say medium?
Medium? I don't think we said medium. I think we said low and she was like iced out or something like that.
Honestly, vichale heat longe.
What?
Vichale is like middle. Vichale.
What?
Vichale.
Vichale.
Yeah. Let's go to the old trusty dish.
Until the water evaporates.
Yeah. Jinnah chir pani sukk da.
Jadon?
Yeah. Jadon tak. Gajar sukk gaya.
Gajar.
Sukk gaya.
Yeah. Was it ilachi or ilaichi?
I've always said ilachi.
Ilachi.
Funny enough, my mom takes out the E and just calls it lachi. I've heard people call it chini. I just think it's a regional thing, but khand is more common.
Right.
Horn asi khand paunge vich.
And now, how do you say we want to let this caramelize?
Hey, we got the book. So the definition of caramel is sharab, which is alcohol. Sharab on the vich rang then lay. So get it to the point where it's the color of alcohol. Sharab on the vich rang then lay.
Yes.
If anybody's Punjabi and is mad at me, I'm sorry.
Sharab.
Darang.
Then. What?
Have you heard the group Gnarls Barkley? Gnarls Barkley? No. English, like, I think you're crazy.
Oh yeah.
That's Gnarls Barkley.
Okay.
So that the GN at the start is like that sound. Like
okay.
That's what that is. So Dan is like.
Dan.
Sure. Desi kyo. What do you say, ghee, right?
Yeah, we say ghee.
Yeah, so we say kyo. Kyo, that's right.
How would you say milk again?
Dud.
Is the D in the beginning a duh or is it a duh?
It's a duh.
Duh.
Yeah, dud.
And at the end it's also a duh.
Yeah.
Dud.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so now how would you say whole milk?
Hey, I got you. Give me a couple of seconds. I got you though. It's gonna take us a couple of seconds, but I got you.
Is there anything for
like full fat milk?
Yeah, like maybe try fatty. I don't know. How do you say fat in Punjabi?
I know it's morta, which it's like, but it's like physically fat, I think.
Morta dud.
Asli dud.
Yeah, asli just means.
Asli means like pure. Yeah.
Real. Yeah.
But is asli also in Punjabi or no?
Yeah, asli is Punjabi.
Yeah. Okay, so then I got asli dud.
Asli dud.
Asli dud. Should I call my mom? Phone a friend. Hi ma. How do you say jiਵੇਂ to simmer or something? ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਰਿੱਝਣਾ? Like how long? 10-15 minutes? ਜਿਵੇਂ 10-15 ਮਿੰਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਰਿੱਝਣੀ ਆ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ? ਰਿੰਨਣਾ. Okay, thank you. ਰਿੰਨਣਾ is like
ਰਿੰਨਣਾ.
ਗਾਜਰ ਨੂੰ ਰਿੰਨ ਕੇ 15 ਮਿੰਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਪਾਣੀ ਗਿਆ.
As this is raining, let's go on to the other ingredients. Koa. We say koya.
Koya?
Yeah, but you say koa.
This feels like mozzarella cheese.
Yeah. Shredded coconut?
I do not know how to say coconut in Punjabi. Tutti? Tutti. Yeah, I've never heard that before. So cocoa is kopa, but coconut seems kope di tutti. Punjabi people, you can yell at me.
Kope
di tutti. I think. Shredded but in Punjabi. Sliced almonds. With badam.
How do you say sliced?
Pittar, I think. Pittar with the L at the end. This doesn't make sense, man. Badam, we can't figure out the sliced term.
Alright, if you guys know how to say sliced in Punjabi, let me know in the comments.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Pistachios.
Piste. What do you call them?
Yeah, same thing. Cashews. Kaju. You want to cook this until it holds on to the spoon.
What a very specific question or statement. There needs to be a Punjabi cookbook translation dictionary thing. Yeah, I know garda is a word for thick. Should I phone a friend? How do you say cook until it gets thick? Tika, there you go. Okay, goodbye. So my mom's saying jinnah chir kadara nahi hunda. Kadara means to stiffen or to get hard.
Jinnah chir
kadara nahi hunda.
Kadara nahi hunda.
Shit. Damn, what'd she say? I'm trying to figure it out now myself. You gotta keep cooking. That's the part where I forgot.
All good?
Very, very, very good.